Hello and welcome to the news bulletin on Goa 365 with me, Masha. The State Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco, who is also a member of the ruling alliance, today filed a disqualification petition against the PWD Minister Churchill Alemao and the Kurthori MLA Alex Reginaldo Lorenzo before the Speaker of the State Legislative Assembly Pratap Singh Rane.
Citing Article 191(2) of the 10th Schedule of the Constitution of India, Mr. Pacheco in his disqualification petition said that the two ministers should not be allowed to continue as elected members of the State Legislative Assembly, as they had voluntarily given up their membership of the Safe Goa Front and had acted against the directives issued by their own political party and joined another political party, that is the Indian National Congress, an act that he felt called for the disqualification of the members. When questioned as to whether his move would not create a rift in the ruling alliance of which Mr. Pacheco himself is a part, the tourism minister said,
"But your party is also
It's a coalition.
So
that
doesn't mean a coalition and somebody doing wrong and my party is going to just take it like that. My party only is for the rights. Okay?
Goa 365 also spoke to the two MLAs against whom the tourism minister had filed a disqualification petition.
I am एकदम happy. सारक happy आम. ऐसे बदल सारक happy आम. माँ ये जी माँ का कायल ना.
पण तुझे किती स्टँड असतं tourism?
सारक happy आम मॅडम. किती आई rule break केलं ना. तो खबर आ गया. Among the any state, only one common civil code रहेगा. One common civil code किसकी सांगता? एक ही पार्ट काजर दाबा दे. काजर झाला नू दुसरे पार्ट काजर झाला नू divorce करपा दे. तो rule break कोण केलं जाते आमरे मुखारी. नम्मा कायल ना हांव एकदम हॅपी आहा म्हणटा आयकून हो बरो हॅपी मागीर येतरी मागीर तेजे हॅपी जावं.
No comments. Let it come first, and then we will see what is to be done.
But how do you see on the papers that reports which have been carrying that Mickey is filing a case against you?
I don't know. Papers, lot of things come. We'll see what is the final outcome.
So nothing has come to
Nothing.
Meanwhile, Mr. Pacheco very mysteriously said that things would be clear very soon when he was asked about his reasons for suddenly filing the disqualification petition. Moving on, the Goa Police Department today felicitated police constables of the beat system so as to infuse a competitive spirit in them and enhance their efficiency.
To generate a competitive spirit, to develop a sense of competition, sense of efficiency. Every month there will be a best beat constable and a runner-up for each police station, for each subdivision, for each district, and a best police constable, police beat officer and a runner-up for the state. And if a beat officer over a period of years is best in the state for 3 times in 1 year, then his name will be sent to the government for out-of-turn promotion.
The Home Minister Ravi Naik presented the constables with certificates of commendation. PC Samir Aga of the Kalangut Police Station and PC Sushant Mahle of the Anjuna Police Station shared honours as winners in the state level category, while PC Purushottam Naik of the Vasco Police Station was a runner-up in the same category. In the district level category, PC Vishant Verikar attached to the Ponda Police Station and PC Surendra Gaude attached to the Mapsa Police Station were adjudged winners from the North Goa district, while PC Shashi Rathod of Kurchere Police Station was adjudged Best Beat Constable from South Goa district. Speaking at the function, the Deputy General of Police B.S. Brar highlighted the operation of the beat system in the state.
308 beats in Goa, and each has a beat officer. The beat officer is supposed to get in touch with literally every resident, every hotel keeper, or anyone else which stays or which works in that beat, and is supposed to collect intelligence, also to interact with the citizens and see if any citizen has any problem in which police department can help that citizen. Even if there is an old couple or old lady, if she or he has a problem of any nature, maybe the electricity is not there, maybe someone is troubling, the beat officer will be occasionally meeting such person and trying to help through the police organization.
Speaking at the function, the Home Minister Ravi Naik said that the State Police Department was working earnestly to maintain law and order in the state, and its functioning had improved in the last 2 years.
अनेक काम जे आसा एक मनसता की काम पुलिसाची काम जे आसा क्रिटिसाइज करपाक सोंपें आसता पूण काम ते एक कोण चोरता आनी वयता ना जाता आनी कोण चोर केलें कळना आनी वचून सोदून हाडप जावं बॉम्बे जावं झारखंड जावं आनी खंय दुसरे कडेन तें डिफिकल्ट आसता पूण आमच्या पुलिसाचें एक काम अशें 2 वर्सां 2007 2008 जें आसा काम बरें केल्लें आसा की म्हणून अशे वेळार जे पुलिसाचें काम हे 2 वर्सां बरें जाल्लें आसा एक्टीव आसा आनीक मकसद सगळे जे कसलेच लोकांक म्हाका व्हडलेशे त्रास जातले आनी ह्या सिजनान जे आसा इवन ड्रग्सां सुद्दां म्हणजे जे आसा ड्रग्स ना पण एक संवय जाल्या लोकांक उलोवपाची ड्रग्साचेर ड्रग्स सुद्दां आतां बंद आसा सगळे कडेन.
DGP B.S. Brower also informed about the anti-narcotic cell that will soon be commissioned in the state.
Now Narcotics Control of Bureau, on our request, Government of India have agreed to open a cell here so that we can take care of the international intelligence network.
Concerned citizens of the state came out yet again in protest against the rising number of casinos in the state as they staged a demonstration at the Captain of Port's jetty yesterday under the ban of Aam Aurat Aadmi against casinos.
The protesters were seen with banners and placards as they demonstrated their opposition to the casinos in the state. Addressing the gathering was Advocate Satish Sonak, who questioned as to how the MLAs of the state of Goa would make Goa a better place if they permitted gambling in the state.
Today, a new way of giving bribes to all the MLAs is तांकां ती फुकट गॅमलिंग आनी बुटेन आनी गॅमलिंग 5 स्टारान सोडप so that they can play gambling, they can make more money. In what way they are going to make Goa better? अशेंच जर कल्चर स्टार्ट जालें फाल्यां गोवा युनिवर्सिटी सेंट्रल युनिवर्सिटी तो इशूच रावचो ना. एक नवीन युनिवर्सिटी येतली की कॅसिनोन पयशे कशे चड जोडप ते भुरग्यांक शिकोवपा खातीर न्यू युनिवर्सिटी. Are we going to have this? We have to decide.
Mr. Avinash Bhosle, CCP Corporator, stated that it was surprising that the state government had termed Matka, a form of gambling, as illegal while gambling on casinos was allowed.
Anti-Gambling Act जो आसा, जो कायदो जो आसा, जो कंट्रोल करता गॅमलिंग, एंटी गॅमलिंग, नाव कितें कायद्याचें? एंटी गॅमलिंग एक्ट. म्हणजे एंटी गॅमलिंग एक्ट म्हणजे थिंगा गॅमलिंग आसूं उपकारना आनी एंटी गॅमलिंग एक्टाच्या नांवा सकयल लिगलायज केलेले कासिनो जे परमिशन दिलां, लिगलायज जाला. मोडको इल्लीगल, मोडको हे व्यसन, गडगडो इल्लीगल, गडगडो व्यसन, पण गव्हर्नमेंटान लिगलायज करूं ना.
Also addressing the gathering was the convener of Food Goenka, Amol Narvekar, who spoke about the statements made at the recently held monsoon session of the State Assembly, wherein it was stated that the government had permitted only 2 casinos.
ताजे उपरांत फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस सांगलें की 2च कासिनोंक परमिशन दिला म्हणून, पण आता जर पळयत जाल्यार 6 कासिनोंक परमिशन दिला आनी आनीक 8 येवपाचे आसा. म्हणून हे सगळी एंटायर बे म्हणजे हांगाची जितली मांडवीची जी रिवर आसा ती सगळी कासिनोन भरिल्ली दिसतली.
The Dalit Sangatana Panjim felicitated 2 renowned Goans yesterday on Gandhi Jayanti for their contribution to society.
The Chief Minister, Mr. Digambar Kamath, felicitated the former principal of TMC MAPSA, Mr. Gopal Rao Mayankar, and Mr. Ramdas Sonu Morgaonkar, who was the President's awardee at the Independence Day function held earlier this year.